Hello dear my friend, my name is Melinda Sriwandari. You can call me Melinda. I'm from Economic Education 2021I. Let's study about the history of economic talks, Physiocratism. The history of economic thought, Physiocrat appeared for the first time in France toward the end of the mercantilist era, which began in 1756. This is what caused the flow of physiocratism, with the term physiocrat, which from the Greek word physia means nature and kratos means power. The difference between their thinking with the mercantilist is when a mercantilist considers the source of a country's wealth is foreign trade, but the physiocrat assumes that the real source of wealth is a natural resource. Okay friend, what is your thinking about the physiocrat? Okay, it literally means natural supremacy, which means believing that natural resources are the source of wealth. Physiocrats believe that nature was created by God to be full of harmony and harmony. The physiocrat believe that the economic system is also similar to nature, which is full of harmony. Thus, every human action in fulfilling their respective needs will also be in harmony with the prosperity of the community at large. Give people freedom and let them do what's best for themselves. And guys, there are three things that make the physiocrat famous. Firstly, followers of the physiocrat school think that the theory they build is a scientifically objective theory and succeed in completing a few of the economic order that common and complete. Secondly, this flow, which sparked the term laissez-faire, which is still popular today, became an interesting study material and gave a pattern to classical economists. And thirdly, study the initiates became the basis of macro analysis that tried to answer where national income came from and how it was distributed among members of society. Okay, and this is a fun quiz question. The physiocrats could grow up as critic of mercantilist economy thought. The famous thinker at this time was Francois Quesnay, a French surgeon who was the personal doctor of King Louis XV and also the trust doctor of Sri Raja Madame Dom Pompadour. The current book, entitled Tabloid Economics, is the first attempt at making a mathematical model of all aspects of the economy that saw how the real relationship between this part of the economy. In his book, he now starts with the assumption that the economy can be described into three sectors. Namely, the first is the agricultural sector, which produce food, raw materials, and other agricultural products. The two manufacturing sectors produce goods such as clothing, building, and tools used by agriculture and factory workers. The manufacturing sector also includes the service sector because services are responsible for facilitating domestic and international trade. Then the class of landowners who do not produce any economic value, but they have a claim on the surplus of output produce. And next, for Quesnay, economic law is in accordance with natural law and makes nature, in this case land, a source of community prosperity. This includes the management of agriculture, animal husbandry, and mining. The landed class is considered a mere exploiter because it gets result by not doing land cultivation work. Industrial and trade activities are considered unproductive because industrial activities only change the form and nature of goods, and the merchant class jobs is only to move goods from one place to another. And therefore, Quesnay recommends that government policies be more supportive and improve the standard of living of the peasants. On the basis of the view, the mercantilists would think that the source of the country's prosperity is the result of foreign trade is considered a wrong view for the physiocrat. The physiocrat also critiques the mercantilists who create various kinds of trade policy regulation that should be freed from control. The mercantilists were accused of causing high price and high tax. Why is the stock considered a school art? Because the team Quesnay had compiled a more advanced law about economics with the form of poll and headline of the already structured in the basic framework of a Quesnay analysis of economic phenomena, events and problems faced by society. Okay, enough for me. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya.